Yeah, good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Today we are discussing the concept of divided differences. Concept of divided differences. Yesterday, we are defining this one as like this. Let x0, y0, x1, y1, x2, y2, etc. are given the points. Now, the first divided difference for the arguments means x coordinates, x0, x1, etc. x0 and x1 is denoted by showing the bracket like this, x0, x1 are f of x0, x1 are, that is the divided difference. Difference del operator no divide cheyadam antam. That is the notation that we have used for divided difference. Delta of x1 f of x0 and is defined as like this. This is in the form of slope form, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Here the points that we have to take as x0, x1. Therefore, we have to write that one as y1 minus y0 by x1 minus x0. That is in the form of the functions f of x1 minus f of x0 by x1 minus x0. Similarly, for x1 and x2, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, and x2 and x3, y3 minus y2 by x3 minus x2, and so on. And so on. Right? And again, we have to define the second order differences. Second divided difference. For first divided difference ku 2 values kavali. Second kannappudu 3 values kavali. That is x0, x1, x2 is that we are going to denote this one as x0, x1, x2. That is equal to difference of the first divided difference is by, that is that we have to write like this, x1, x2 minus x0, x1 whole divided by x2 minus x0. x2 minus x0. Okay, that we have to write this one in the another way in the next page. That is equal to f of x1, x2 minus f of x0, x1 whole divided by x2 minus x0. This we denote this one as del square of x1, x2. Right? Similarly, third divided difference. Similarly, third divided difference for, so first కు 2 పాయింట్స్ కావాలి, సెకండ్ కి వచ్చేసి 3 వాల్యూస్ కావాలి, థర్డ్ కి వచ్చేసి 4 వాల్యూస్ కావాలి. అంటే ఏమి x0, x1, x2, x3 is, that is the notation you have to use like this: x0, comma, x1, comma, x2, comma, x3 is equal to difference of second divided differences by x3 minus x0, that is equal to x1, x2, x3 minus x1, x2, x3 minus x0, x1, x2 all divided by x3 minus x0, x3 minus x0, and so on. This we denote this one as delta cubed x1, x2, x3, x1, x2, x3, and so on. Okay. Now let us define the Newton's divided difference formula. Now, Newton's divided difference formula. This is very easy, right? Now, let y0, y1, etc., etc., yn be the values of f of x be the values of f of x corresponding to the arguments what are the arguments? X values x0, x1, x2, etc., etc., xn. Then this is a very simple formula that we have noted on here. Then shall I write in the next page? Not completed here. Then y is equal to f of x that is equal to y0 plus x minus x0 into y into first divided difference x0 x1 plus coming to the second one x minus x0 into x minus x1 into second divided difference x0 x1 x2 plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 into x minus x2 into third divided difference x0 x1 x2 x3 x0 x1, x2, x3 plus so on plus x minus x naught, nth one, x minus x naught into x minus x1, etc., etc., x minus xn minus 1 into nth divided difference formula, that is x naught, x1, etc., etc., xn, is called the Newton's divided difference formula, with Newton's divided difference formula, or దీన్ని ఏమంటాము Newton's general interpolation formula with divided differences, or Newton's general interpolation formula with divided differences, with divided differences, with divided differences. This is very easy. Note down one example, right? Given the values x corresponding f of x values, or y naught, y of x, y of x or x values. Five, 7, 11, 13, 17, 150, 392, 1452, 2366, then 5202. So this is the problem. Now evaluate, continuation of the problem, evaluate f of 9 using Newton's divided formula, using Newton's divided difference formula, Newton's divided difference formula, right? This is very easy. Now here, when you have to observe the values of x, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, difference between 5 and 7 is equal to 2. Difference between 11 and 7 is equal to 4. Difference between 13 and 11 is equal to 2. Difference between 17 and 13 is equal to 4. That means it has unequal differences, unequal intervals. That is why we are going to use Newton's divided difference formula. Suppose the differences are equal, we can easily use the Newton's forward or Gauss forward or Newton's backward, whatever that one. We have 4 formulas are there for equal values. For unequal intervals, we have 2 formulas are there. One is the interpolation, Lagrange's interpolation formula, and other is the Newton's divided interpolation formula. Okay. Now, here we have to form the table, divided difference table. Now, here we have to note down the values of x naught is equal to 5, x1 is equal to 7, x2 is equal to 11, x3 is equal to 13, x4 is equal to 70. Similarly, corresponding y values, y naught is equal to 150, y1 is equal to 392, y2 is equal to 1452, y3 is equal to 2366, and y4 is equal to 5202. These are the given values that we have to write clearly, legibly like this. Then we have to move the how to construct the divided difference table. Now, the divided difference table. Divided difference table. First we have to write the, here we have to write with space value, different like this. Give the space to each and every value. We are calculating the, this is the first y naught, y not y naught, y simply. And second, delta square y. Third, y or f, delta cubed y. First divide, second divide, third divide. Now note down the values of x and y. 5, then 7, make a distance, different distance. 7, 11, 13, and 17. Like this. Write down the corresponding y values using the different color. 150, then 392, then 1452, then 2366, then 5202. Now first divided, these are the y naught, y1, y2, y3, y4. Similarly, this one x naught, x1, x2, x3, x4. Now the first formula, y1 minus y naught by x1 minus x naught. That is y1 minus y0. That is, we have to use the different color for easily understood. y1 minus y0. That is 392 minus 150. y1 minus y0 by x1 minus x0. x1 minus x0 is equal to 7 minus 5. That is the one. Now coming to the second one. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 1452 1452 minus 392 divided by 11 minus 7. Right? Next, 2366 minus 1452 divided by 13 minus 11. Next, 5202 minus 2366 by 17 minus 13. These are the first divided difference values. Now tell me what is its values. Calculate cheyna ma.
121, sir.
121 by first there.
Yes, sir.
121. Very good. Secondly,
$265, sir.
265. Third, మూడోది take the calculator, all of you. Two three six six minus 1452.
457, sir.
457. Next, 5202 minus 2366.
709.
709. Right. These are the first divided differences. Now again we move into the second divided differences. Second divided differences. Now these two, like this. Ikkada 265 minus 121 by x2 minus x0. ఇక్కడ నుంచి x2 minus x0 అంటే 11 minus 5. నెక్స్ట్ దీనికి వచ్చేలకు 457 minus 265 by x3 minus x1 13 minus 7. Next 709 709 minus 457 by 17 minus 11. Next, third divided. And my way. You can easily calculate by using calculator.
$24, sir.
24, good. Next.
32, sir.
32, very good.
$42, sir.
Very good. 42. Now, again, difference of these two. 32 minus 24. 32 minus 24. (32 minus 24 by 4 values. ఎక్కడి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయింది ఇది 13 minus 5 x4 minus x0. నెక్స్ట్ ఈ రెండింటికి వస్తే 42 minus 32 by x4 minus x1 17 minus 7. What is its values? Ma?
1, sir, first.
1, very good. ఇది 1. సో నెక్స్ట్ చేస్తే 0 అయిపోతుంది కాబట్టి ఇంకా చేయాల్సిన పనిలే. This is the way that we are going to calculate the divided differences. First divided differences, second divided differences, and third divided differences. It is very easy, but only y values by difference of y values by difference of x values. అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. Okay. Now note down the formula for. Now take x is equal to 9. Take x is equal to 9 by Newton's divided difference formula. By Newton's divided difference formula. Y is equal to f of x. F of x is equal to y is equal to y naught plus first ఏం రాయాలి x minus x naught into first divided x naught x1 plus second divided x minus x naught into x minus x1 into second divided x naught x1 x2 plus third divided మనకు మూడేగా వచ్చింది x minus x naught x minus x1 x minus x2 into x0 x1 x2 x3 and fourth divided ఎంత ఉంది ఫోర్త్ డివైడ్ ఏమొస్తుంది మనకు 0 వస్తుంది ఇంకా అవసరం లేదు ఫోర్త్ డివైడ్ ఎంత వస్తుంది 1 minus 1 అంటే 0 వస్తుంది కాబట్టి ఇంకా అది రాయాల్సిన పని లేదు అవసరం ఉంటే ఫార్ములా రాసుకోవచ్చు లేదంటే you have to stop here x is equal to 9 and we know the values of x0 x1 this is nothing but this is first divided del of y0 this is second divided del square of y0 this is third divided del cubed of y0 okay this is the first one this is the second one this is third one now we have to substitute the values shall I move the slide into next page f of 9 is equal to y0 y0 ఎంతమ్మా
150 sir
150 plus x is equal to 9 9 minus x0 5 into ఎంత delta f0 delta y0 ఎంత నాన్న డెల్టా y0 ఎంత
121
plus 9 minus 5 into 9 minus 7 into delta square 24 plus 9 minus 5 9 minus 7 9 minus 11 delta cubed 1 క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయండి $150 plus 4 into 121 plus 4 into 2 into 24 4 into 2 into 24 plus 4 into 2 into 2 సో మైనస్లు కూడా ఉన్నాయి కదా ఇక్కడ ఇది లాస్ట్ లో మైనస్ దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 150 ప్లస్ 4 8 484 ప్లస్ 32 192 minus 60
minus 248 sir
ఎంతమ్మా
minus 248
810 sir
810
yes sir
జాగ్రత్త చేయండి 150 ప్లస్ 484 ప్లస్ 192 minus 16 810 this is the answer right? Okay. Now again, we have to find cubic polynomial by using divided difference formula, by using another data. Okay. Note on that one also. ఇక్కడ యాక్చువల్గా మనకు డెల్టా పవర్ 4 జీరో వచ్చింది కాబట్టి రాలేదు అది. అది వస్తే కూడా ఇంకొక వాల్యూ పెరుగుతుంది. రైట్ డౌన్. Obtain the Newton's divided interpolation polynomial. Obtain the Newton's divided difference interpolation polynomial and hence find f of 6 and hence find f of 6 x values f of x values 3 7 9 10 168 120 72 63. Here x naught is equal to 3, x1 is equal to 7, x2 is equal to 9, x3 is equal to 10. Similarly, y naught is equal to 168, y1 is equal to 120, y2 is equal to 72, y3 is equal to 63. Now we can form the divided difference table in the next page. Now the divided difference table is Newton's divided difference table. X values, y values, delta y, delta square y, delta cubed y. What are the x values? 3, 7. Make the difference for convenient purpose. 7, 9, 10. Okay. Corresponding y values 168, 120, 72, 63. Okay, first one 120 minus 168 by 7 minus 3. Next one 72 minus 120 by 9 minus 7. Third one 63 minus 72 by 10 minus 9. చెప్పండమ్మా, what are the differences?
-12, sir.
-12. రెండోది
-24.
-24. గుడ్. మూడోది
-9, sir.
-9. Good. Now next again second దగ్గరికి వెళ్దాం. You have to use the different color. -24 minus plus 12 by -24 plus 12. Minus of minus అంటే plus 12. Plus 12 by 9 minus 3. Next -9 plus 24 by 10 minus 7. Now what are the values?
-2, sir.
-2.
5, sir.
5. Next third divided difference. Five minus of minus 5 plus 2 by 10 minus 3.
1,
ఎంత?
1, sir.
1. So now we have to note down the values legibly or easily. We have to identify scalar. This one is y naught. This one is delta y naught. This one is delta square y naught. This one is delta cubed y naught. Okay, those are the values. Here is this one is x naught, x1, x2, x3. This one y naught, y1, y2, y2. Now by Newton's divided interpolation difference formula, by Newton's divided difference formula, now first we have to write down the formula as usual. F of x is equal to y naught plus x minus x naught into first forward delta y naught. లేదంటే దీన్ని ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? బ్రాకెట్ ఆఫ్. ఇలా రాస్తారా, అలాగే రాస్తారా? x naught x1 plus second x minus x naught into x minus x1 into delta square y naught అంటే మీ x naught x1 x2 plus x minus x naught into x minus x1 into x minus x2 into delta cubed y naught. This is nothing but x naught x1 x2 x3 కూడా ఉంటుంది కదా, సారీ Now you have to substitute that values. 168 plus x minus x naught. X naught value is equal to 3 into first difference. First difference value is equal to minus 12 plus x minus 3 into x minus 7 into second difference value. Anta? What is the second one? Minus 2 plus x minus 3, x minus 7, x minus 9 into third divided difference. What is the value? The value is equal to 1. Now we have to expand this one. Expand చేయండి నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్ లో జాగ్రత్తగా నిదానంగా ఎక్స్పాండ్ చేయాలి. పాలినోమియల్ వస్తుంది మనకు. ఆ పాలినోమియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ కావాలి ఇప్పుడు. ఇది ఎక్స్పాండ్ చేయండి. ఇది ఒక టర్మ్, ఇది ఒకటి, 3 టర్మ్లు వస్తాయి. ఇది క్యూబిక్ పాలినోమియల్ ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది, క్యూబ్డ్. f of x is equal to 168 minus 12 into x minus 3 minus 2 into, what is that value? X square minus 10x plus 21 plus 1 into, ఎంత వస్తుందన్న ఇది? ఐ థింక్ రఫ్గా చేయాలి ఇది మీరు. ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 10x plus 21 into x minus 9, that is equal to x cubed minus 10x square plus 21x minus 9x square plus 90x minus 189, that is equal to x cubed minus 19x square plus 11 plus 111x minus 189. Again rewrite this one as 168 minus 12x plus 36 minus 2x square plus 20x minus 42 plus x cubed minus 19x square plus 111x minus 189, that is equal to, first you have to write the x cubed x square ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయమ్మా? minus 21 x square, x లు minus 12 20 plus 8 plus 119 plus 119 x కాన్స్టెంట్ వాల్యూస్ ఎంత వస్తుంది? 189 ఎంత? 168 plus 36 minus 42 minus 189
minus 195 sir.
168 ప్లస్ తర్వాత ప్లస్ 36 మైనస్ 42 మైనస్ 189 minus 27. Right? This is the polynomial f of x. Now again we have to find f of 6. F of 6 is equal to 6 cubed minus 21 into 6 square. Amma,
కాన్స్టెంట్ వాల్యూ రాంగ్ వచ్చింది సార్.
మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చూడు 168. ఇక్కడ రెండు మైనస్లు ఉన్నాయి. ఇది మైనసే,
Okay,
ఇది
sir.
మైనసే, ఇవి రెండు ప్లస్లు.
ఓకే సార్, కరెక్టే సార్.
సరిపోయిందా నాన్న? ఓకే, minus 27. ఇది చూడు నాన్న ఎంత వస్తుందో, 6 cubed. 6 cubed minus 21 into 6 square plus 119 into 6 minus 27. ఎవరన్నా చెప్పండి అమ్మా. 6 cubed minus
147 సార్.
140.
7.
147. That is the answer. Okay, are you understanding this one? Okay, thank you all of you. Don't leave the class. Any doubts?